This video is just very briefly covering warning triangles. I do have a corresponding page on the website that goes into a lot more detail and covers such things as how far the warning triangle should be placed from the vehicle, under what conditions should you put out a warning triangle, and other interesting information as well. So go and have a look at that page on the website. In the description section of the video, you'll find that there's a web page link, and there you'll find the relevant information, which will also contain this particular video. And it's the same for all the videos on YouTube. There is a corresponding page on the website. Let's have a look at the animation, and then we'll have a look at two real-life clips to follow. There we had the driver of the red vehicle that actually rode over the warning triangle and collided with the back of the green vehicle, and no doubt partly because the warning triangle is far too close to the vehicle that it should be protecting. And this is a common mistake that people make. You'll see in the first real life clip, placing the warning triangle far too close to the vehicle. It should be at a distance that's far enough away to provide an alert to any oncoming motorists that there's something unusual up ahead, and allow them that space to be able to take corrective action. Let's have a look at the first real life clip. So we'll see in this clip exactly that, and notice how far the warning triangle is from the vehicle that it's supposed to be protecting. There we go. So is that going to provide any safety buffer zone? Certainly not. And so the camera lands up colliding with this vehicle. The second real-life clip provides a much better example. So here we'll see the distance that the warning triangle is placed. There we go. Notice it in the road there. Are the vehicles far enough in the distance to be able to take corrective action? And yeah, just going to pause it again, but notice there's a second warning triangle. So if there are multiple vehicles involved, then use each warning triangle that each vehicle has to put out multiple warning triangles, and so that serves as an added protection. You see these were nicely spaced apart so that both the camera and the other vehicle ahead of the camera could take that corrective action so as not to collide with these vehicles over here. So that's the right way to do it. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.